I am Ireland. Hey Mountaineers, today we journey to a land of magic, music and mighty hearts. As we explore Ireland with Shamrock the Irish Setter, let's discover the power of words, affirmations. These words remind us of who we are inside. Ready? Let's go! Ireland is a place where we all belong. When we connect, we grow stronger. Repeat after me. I am connected. Look around. Rolling green hills, a cozy cottage, and friends holding hands. Even Shamrock knows we are never alone. Friendship is like an Irish stream, flowing, bright, and full of life. Repeat after me. I am friendly. See how the Celtic knot glows? Friendship ties us together, just like this magical knot. Life brings storms, but we can stand tall. Repeat after me. I am strong. Just like the lighthouse guiding the way through crashing waves, we hold on and shine through any storm. In Ireland, magic is everywhere. If you believe. Repeat after me. I am creative. Look! Fairies, sprites, a leprechaun, even trees that talk. Imagination makes the world come alive. Sharing brings us together like a big happy family. Repeat after me. I am united. From warm soda bread to sweet treats, sharing a meal connects us all. Just ask Shamrock, the Irish Setter. Music and movement help us express who we are. Repeat after me. I am expressive. Tap your feet, play a tune. When we create, our spirits dance just like an Irish jig. Nature is a gift, and we help it grow. Repeat after me. I am caring. The Irish red deer, the badger, even the peregrine falcon, they all need our care. Let's plant and protect our world. Our history tells the story of who we are. Repeat after me. I am proud. Feel the strength of the castle, the wisdom in every artifact. Ireland's history lives in us. Look at us! We've journeyed through connection, friendship, strength, imagination, unity, creativity, nature, and heritage. Each of these makes Ireland, and you, amazing. Repeat after me. I am Ireland. Ireland is not just a place. It's a breath of salt air, a hush of rolling green, a song carried in the wind. And now, that song lives in you, wherever you go. Thank you, dear Mountaineers, for joining us on this enchanting journey through the beautiful Emerald Isle of Ireland. With Shamrock the Irish Setter by our side, let's venture further into the heart of this magical land. Now, let's take a moment to ponder. What if the power of our words could shape our reality? What if each kind thought and positive affirmation could create waves of joy and connection in our lives? Let's take a moment to center ourselves, shall we? Take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs with the fresh Irish air. Hold it. And now let it out slowly through your mouth. Breathe in again, feeling the warmth of the sun on your face. Hold. And release. One more time. Breathe in deeply, soaking up all the beauty around you. Hold. And let it go. Now, as we settle into this moment, let's imagine ourselves wandering through the rolling hills of Ireland. Picture Shamrock, our friendly Irish setter, bounding happily beside us. With each step, we feel more connected to the earth beneath our feet and the sky above our heads. In this moment, repeat after me. I am connected. Just like the vibrant roots of the trees that intertwine below the surface, our hearts are connected to one another and the world around us. Can you feel that warm energy? As we stroll along, let's say it together. I am friendly. Like the glistening streams flowing through the lush landscape, let our kindness flow freely to everyone we meet. Imagine sharing laughter and stories, just like the joyful Irish shindig, which is a fun word for party, we Mountaineers. Let's embrace the storms of life with strength. Repeat after me. I am strong. Picture a sturdy lighthouse standing tall against crashing waves, guiding us through life's challenges. Feel the power in your heart, knowing you can weather any storm with resilience. Now, let's let our imaginations run wild. Repeat after me. I am creative. Look around. The fairies are dancing in the moonlight, and the trees are whispering ancient secrets. Our creativity is the magic that brings the world to life. Allow yourself to daydream, to imagine new adventures. And as we gather around the imaginary hearth, let's unite. Repeat after me. I am united. Like the delicious aroma of freshly baked soda bread wafting through the air, our connections with others warm our hearts. Remember, sharing is what makes us feel like one big, happy family, just as Shamrock knows well. Let's express ourselves joyfully. Repeat after me. I am expressive. Picture us dancing a merry jig, laughter ringing out like the sweet sound of a fiddle. Our unique voices add to the symphony of life, so let's celebrate our individuality. As we stroll deeper into nature's embrace, let's affirm. Repeat after me. I am caring. Picture the majestic Irish red deer and the playful badger, all relying on us to protect their home. Feel the gentle urge to nurture the world around us, knowing that every act of kindness matters. Finally, let's celebrate our heritage. Repeat after me. I am proud. With every stone of the ancient castles and every tale told through generations, we carry the spirit of Ireland within us. Feel that pride in your heart, knowing you are part of something beautiful and timeless. So, there we have it. We've journeyed through connection, friendship, strength, imagination, unity, creativity, nature, and heritage. Each one of these qualities makes Ireland and you truly extraordinary. Now, let's say it together. I am Ireland. Ireland is not just a place, it's a feeling, a spirit, a home. And remember, you carry that magic with you wherever you go. If this adventure connected with you, share it with someone you're lucky to have in your life. At Mind Mountain, we're all about embracing the journey. Thank you for joining us, and may your hearts be light and your spirits high, just like the joyous music of Ireland.